Tehillim 24, a psalm by David. The earth is Yahuwah's, with its fullness, the world and those who dwell therein. For he has founded it on the seas, and established it on the floods. Who may ascend to Yahuwah's hill? Who may stand in his holy place? He who has clean hands and a pure heart, who has not lifted up his soul to falsehood, and has not sworn deceitfully. He shall receive a blessing from Yahuwah, righteousness from the Elohim of his Yeshua. This is the generation of those who seek him, who seek your face, even Yaakov, Selah. Lift up your heads, you gates. Be lifted up, you everlasting doors, and the King of glory will come in. Who is the King of glory? Yahuwah strong and mighty, Yahuwah mighty in battle. Lift up your heads, you gates. Yes, lift them up, you everlasting doors, and the King of glory will come in. Who is this King of glory? Yahuwah Tsebaot is the King of glory. Selah.